Good morning, sports fans. This is Mr. Teague. This is the interactivity for the Human Geography and History of Mexico, Chapter 7, Lesson 2, Guided Reading Activities. If you could please make sure you do this. We have some people not doing their work, and so I'm going to go over how to do it. So if you're at home and online only, and you're looking at this and you're going, how do I do this? I've made this so that the copy has been made for you. Okay? So you can actually fill out this Google Doc. And then there are some drawing components on this. So if you want to do virtual drawing, that's fine. Or if you just want to draw at home on your own paper, find a paper. If there's like junk mail, draw on envelopes and take pictures of it. Do what you got to do. Okay? And then upload the images if you do that at home to answer those questions. So you can do a combination of that. You can answer like straight up questions on the Google Doc, and then for the drawing components, you can use your own paper. Just make sure you take pictures of that at home and upload it to the assignment. And so this is what the assignment looks like. Boom. And it should say Unit 4. I just keep forgetting to change it over. All right, so you're going to use pages 180 to 184. But hey, if you're not using the hard copy of the textbook, it's really easy. That's Chapter 7, Lesson 2. Okay, that means I'm going to need to log on to ConnectEd, or if you have the actual like app version of the textbook where it's literally just PDF or images of the textbook, then you can use the page numbers. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go there right now. I'm going to ConnectEd. Remember, the URL for this is my.mheducation.com. So if your screen doesn't kind of look like this, you're at the wrong ConnectEd site. So I'm already pre-filled. I'm just going to hit login. And then I'm going to go Student Edition because I'm acting like I'm you right now. Okay, and so Mexico is already pulled up. I'm not doing physical geography. I'm doing Lesson 2 Human Geography. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to hit go, and it's going to pull up my textbook. There we go. And so for that first, I'm going to go back to this assignment right now. Okay, take notes on a concept web below on Mexico's population today. Then complete the comprehension item at the bottom of this page. Okay, and so I'll start reading through. Variations in the physical geography of Mexico led to the development of diverse cultures, languages, and civilizations among the indigenous peoples of Mexico. And so right away, something about Mexico's population is, and I'm going to go, and well, I'm going to have to live board this, aren't I? I have to go straight live. No, I'll just leave it. I'm not going to draw. Okay, or I could just type. And so here, I'm just going to type. So Mexico has a rich diversity of indigenous people due to its physical geography. And if you don't know what indigenous peoples are, those are Native Americans. Okay, so Mexico, and I misspelled indigenous. I put a S on the end. What am I doing? Or an E, sorry. So yeah, that's a good note from that. Okay, and then I continue on. The northern half of Mexico on the inland plateau and the mountains originally had a small population of mostly independent groups of nomadic people. Agriculture was used to supplement hunting, herding, and gathering of food. Some of these semi-nomadic groups, and let's zoom in a little bit, Mr. Teague. There we go. Some of these semi-nomadic groups still live in their traditional homelands, separated from most outside influences. The Tarahumara people in the Sierra Madre Occidental are one example of an indigenous group who still live in northern Mexico. And so let's continue on. The southern half of Mexico was geographically more diverse. It could support large-scale agriculture and produce the variety and abundance of foods necessary to maintain empires and cities. And so the southern half of Mexico, in terms of the population, tend to have larger population centers. And so we would say something like that on this. Okay? So that's how you do that. You're going to go through the reading part all the way up to, yeah, through here. Okay? We keep going. We're going to go through. Okay? Looking for more stuff. More population patterns. So you're going to go through the entire chapter just looking for things about the population. Anytime you see numbers, ooh, That's a good one. More than 78% of Mexican citizens live in urban areas. That's an excellent one. Okay? Perfect. Awesome. Let's go back a little bit. I find any more numbers? If you just scan for numbers, it's a really good thing to do. Those are dates. Those are dates. Okay. All right, then let's go to page 5. Page 5. I already did that. Page 6. Okay. Talking about gendered role. Ooh, extended family. People live in extended family groups where they live with their cousins and grandparents. So they live in households with 3 or 4 generations. That'd be a good note. That'd be a good note to take on that concept web. That'd be good stuff. Okay. 7. Talking about the arts in Diego Rivera. I think we're done. We're done with population. So you need to basically review all the way up to society and culture today. Once you get to arts, then you're done with that concept web. And then if we go back to the assignment, then based on those concept web notes about the population of Mexico today, okay, because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for notes on the population of Mexico today. That's what you're looking for there. Don't go into like the 1700s and all that stuff. Okay, population today. Okay, and I'm going to delete that way. Yeah, okay, so I don't mess up the template. Based on your notes from above, write a 7 to 9 sentence. I mean, if you're at 6 sentences, that's fine too. Mexico's population today is, and then you finish the thought. Bada bing, bada boom. Then you can go back through, and then you're looking for dates, guys. You're gonna instead of just making a plain old timeline, you're gonna draw little meme pictures or stick figure pictures. Do your best. Do what you can do, okay, of the history of Mexico. And so the pre-European period, before 1519, you're probably going to draw pictures of like the Aztecs and the Mayans, those empires in the southern part of Mexico, right? And then conquistadors, you're going to show Hernan Cortez coming and conquering the Aztecs, and about how the Spanish started to establish their rule over Mexico. And then later Spanish rule, how are they treating Native American people? Okay, and then you got to write yourself a short 1 to 2 sentence little summary, okay, of what's going on in your picture, explaining what's going on. So we're going to make ourselves a pictorial and very short written summary of Mexico's history. Okay, be respectful in your pictures. Don't be like really weirdly graphic like some people do. But yeah, you guys, if you have any questions, please email me. I'm more than happy to set up a Google Meet. I'll print out one of these on my home printer, and I'll take my camera and draw stuff out for you if you want, if you need an example. Okay? So, that being said, you guys have a great day. Email me if you have any questions. Make sure you're working. And if you're getting behind, email me if you're concerned about it. I'll see you guys later.